Throughout.
Slow Food International plans to create 10,000 gardens throughout Africa.
Throughout.
Traditional crop. There is still knowledge about traditional crops and planting seasons in Africa. Traditional crop.
Reconnect.
He hopes the garden project will reconnect young people to the land.
Reconnect.
Agronomy.
Mr. Mukibi was a student of the crop planting science called agronomy.
Agronomy.
Food security.
He says he began to understand the importance local foods had to food security.
Food security.
Disappear.
But local foods were quickly disappearing.
Disappear.
Condition.
These traditional products, he says, are used to African conditions including poor weather.
Condition.
Political leader. Mr. Mukibi is trying to persuade political leaders and scientists to support the slow food movement. Political leader. Slow food movement. The slow food movement is growing in most of the Western world. Slow food movement.
Ugandan.
He comes from Ugandan country.
Ugandan.
Discover.
He discovered that crops being planted in Uganda were sometimes not right for the farming environment.
Discover. Name.
So a group called Slow Food International has named a Ugandan man to help it grow.
Name. Local.
The movement supports small, local farms.
Local.
Persuade.
Please try and persuade him again.
Persuade.
Western.
They come from Western world.
Western.
Agriculture.
Agriculture and tourism are both important to the region's economy.
Agriculture. Argue.
But Mr. Mukibi argues that the problem in Africa is not a lack of food.
Argue. Lead.
It works against huge farms led by international food and agriculture companies.
Lead.
Single.
They support big industrial farms that can produce a lot of a single crop.